Hey there, in this video, I'm going to share with you my hottest email marketing tips so that way you increase your open rate and click rates. Hey there, I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner, showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so if you've been with me for a while now, you know that I specialize in video. But the reason why I'm talking about email marketing is because email marketing and video are like a power couple. It's like if Superman and Wonder Woman got married. That's why I am sharing with you email marketing tips. It really is the easiest way to make money in your online business coupled with video. Hot tip number one, here's how to increase your open rates. Make sure to have an awesome subject line so that way people will actually click on that email and open it. So the industry standard is to aim for at least a 25% open rate. And one of my biggest tips to increase your open rate is how you write your subject line. Never use the word I in your subject line. Instead, use the word you. And the reason is because people are asking themselves, okay, what's in it for me? How is this going to help me, right? They're not thinking, oh, how is Patricia Kelikani doing? It'd be nice if they did, but I would say 99% of them aren't thinking that. So here are some examples of great subject lines that have had huge open rates for me. Simply writing thank you in your subject line has a huge open rate. And then of course, in the body of your email, you're going to thank them for something. Another subject line example is telling them to do something that's easy to do. For example, wear this on video. And then this is in all caps. This has a huge open rate and a click rate for me. And by the way, you can watch that video right up here. Another example is, want to look amazing in your reels? Check this out. So if you ask a question that you know that most of the people on our email list will say yes to, then that's also a great subject line with check this out, exclamation mark right after it. And yes, I have another video for that. You can watch it right up here too. And one more example is telling them what the email has for them. For example, this is the secret video script. And this again is in all caps. This has a huge open rate and a good click rate as well. Which, by the way, if you want access to the secret video script, you can sign up for that free training video at the link below. It's so powerful. I've had students say that immediately they made a handful of sales once they implemented it. And one more tip here when it comes to increasing your open rate is simply asking yourself this question: would I open up this email if I didn't know who this person was? And so if the answer would be yes, then go for it. Hot tip number two, how to increase your click rates. So the industry standard for a click rate is a 2% click rate when you actually have a call to action in your email. That's what you want to aim for. For example, a call to action could be for them to watch your YouTube video, for them to go to your blog and read the full post, for them to go to your sales page. Those are some examples of call to actions. And when you have a call to action that leads them to your video, so you want them to watch, for example, your YouTube video, here is my secret sauce for increasing your click rates in a major way. And I have a short little intro here. The key highlight is, of course, this GIF with the play button. And to learn how to create a GIF from a video, watch the video. I'll link it below. Watch that video on YouTube. I share with you all the details, but this right here is super powerful. Then I have in bullet points what they'll learn. So like how to find out what color looks best on you, what kind of jewelry you should avoid on camera, all that stuff. So it's basically the benefits that they'll get. And it also teases the reader like, oh, whoa, there are colors that will look better on me than others, or I can look slimmer on video. And so it encourages them to watch the video to find out how to do that. Then, of course, I have my button that says watch now to just kind of like, bam, click right here, as well as this play button. Another tip here to increase your click rate is to have buttons in your email. And not just any button, but a button that's in the green color tone. Green is a very psychologically inviting color. It also means go. And so naturally, people are prone to click on something that's in the green color tone. Then you also want the words on the button to be action oriented. For example, watch now, or get the juicy details, or start now. Which, here's another little secret tip. If you want to increase the click rates to your sales page, rather than having your buttons say enroll now or join now, change it to get the juicy details. Because that right there sparks interest and intrigue. If they're not ready to join now or to start now, that's one little hot tip for you. So there are my hottest email marketing tips, and make sure to watch my free training video on the secret video script to convert your viewers into customers. This free masterclass will teach you exactly what to say in your videos, so that way, just like my students, you can make a handful of sales right away. Alrighty, if you liked this video, I would love it if you clicked that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I would love to hear from you. Do you like that I'm kind of venturing into other business tips, or do you just want me to stick like only with video? All right, let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you later.